is derived from Greek word ethos, which means a code of conduct or duties of profession. What are these ethics? Legal profession in the world emerged during the reign of Edward I in the late 13th century. At that time, it was perhaps very clear enough to say merely that the lawyer must behave with honor. That was sufficient. But intricacies of modern times, it's no longer so. Ethics today are the governing rules of practice. Today, in this regard, Bar Council of India has, under its rule-making power, prescribed certain rules of practice, which again, I am presuming all of you have read to write your paper. They include duty to court, duty to client, duty to the opponent, duty to the profession, duty to render legal aid, and duty to self. And again, I'm not going to elaborate on these because I again presume that after having been lawyers for 4 years and 1 year of training, you are all aware of it. This now leads us to the next question. Why ethics for advocate on record? Why has this paper been made compulsory to be an advocate on record? In administration of justice by the highest court of the country, advocate on record, according to me, plays a pivotal role. This privilege is conferred to the advocate on record to ensure they assist the court, A, in upholding rule of law, B, maintain a reputation of the legal profession, C, accountability. If lawyers do not adhere to promote the principles of justice, fairness and equity, law itself is brought into disrepute and public confidence in law will be undermined. Therefore, thereby hindering access to justice. Therefore, legal profession has huge responsibility of upholding rule of law, protection of individual rights against abuse of power. A profession's collective reputation. See, you cannot say his reputation is good, his reputation is bad. We as advocates belong to one profession. It's the collective reputation that's crucial to the confidence it inspires. Reputation of legal profession is linked to how public view administration of justice. Where there is no public confidence in legal profession, trust in the judicial system is undermined. So please be aware that whatever you do as an advocate, which is a privilege, whatever you do as an advocate on record, which is a higher level of privilege, is being assessed by the society. You talk ill about your profession, it does not help you in any manner. So it's a collective reputation, not only about yourself but about your brethren also. Coming to accountability, if ethical standards exist and clearly define the duties of lawyers, please note, the duties of lawyers, they can be brought to account where they fall short of these standards. In order to achieve accountability, it's also important to ensure rules of ethics once developed, are published among legal professionals and public. Everyone should know these are the standards which every lawyer is required to abide by. If he falls short of it, he should be held accountable for it. So it's essential to know our ethics very, very clearly. To ensure that ethics are enforceable, the legal profession should also put in place effective disciplinary procedure. Then we have issues of behavior outside the court by lawyers who have been recognized by the highest court in this country as advocates of rhetoric. You are aware that lawyers are butt of jokes in society. There are as many jokes on lawyers as there are lawyers. This is because of our conduct which is unbecoming. There is a recent case in this dilemma. If there is clarity of thought, clarity of speech will follow. My point of view is our source of standing is the privilege conferred on us to practice and assist the court in administration of justice to uphold the law. Therefore, court being our source, justice being our cause, we are first and foremost officers of the court. Our primary duty is to the court to enable it to arrive at a fair decision. You perhaps would have noticed, even in the Bar Council of India rules, it also stipulates
most benefit.